Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're cooking mushroom risotto. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, dissolve the stock pot in boiling water to make the vegetable stock. Put a saucepan on a medium-high heat and drizzle in the oil. Sauté the onion and garlic for around 5 minutes. They should become soft and translucent. Add in the celery, parsley, salt and pepper. After a couple of minutes, add in the mushrooms, reduce the heat to low and cook until they're soft. Now pour in the milk, cream and rice. Stir everything together and add the vegetable stock 250 ml at a time. Keep stirring, and once it has been absorbed, add another 250 ml. Repeat until you run out of stock. Finally, add in the butter and Parmesan cheese. This is a deliciously subtle and simple risotto that's packed with flavour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.